gabi. Mali yung room na napuntahan ko. What the fuck, crazy! Hi guys! So today is Monday. Kakatapos lang namin sa CWTS. Tapos pumunta kami ng area 2 ni Prince. Niyaya ko siya para kumain. Say hi, Prince! Yun lang.
Wala akong ikikwento. Kakatapos lang ng paper. Mag-iisip ng gagawin next. Kita ba?
Yeah.
Ayan. Next deadline.
Guys, today is December 10 and we decided to go to National Museum. Sponte lang.
Natural history.
National Museum of Natural History.
Ayoko parang undergrading naman para sa akin. Roughly siya maganda pero mabango.
So funny guys, we're in Boracay.
Kasama kami sa mga bata.
Nakabalik na ako ng condo. Actually, hindi na ako gano'n nakapag-video like yung LRT journey namin. But like sa museum, I was able to take some vids kahit papano. And nag-enjoy ako kasi ang daming pictures. But like, hindi na rin kami natuloy sa National Museum of Anthropology because we were both tired na and si Prince natatalo na siya. So, it was funny pero okay lang. Tapos nagkakanta kami. Hi Daphne, I'm vlogging. Galing ako ng National Museum. Yeah. Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko. Robinsons lang kami. Tapos, wala dun yung hinahanap niya na spice. Yeah. So, pumunta kami ngayon ng PC. It's currently 11:42 and minutes ako ng 1. Sana by 12 o'clock. Tapos na sikat. Pinapressure kita. As in, kukunin ko lang talaga. Made it here! Looking like that.
Yeah. Whatever, guys. Nobody's gonna look anyway. Whatever.
11:45. Kaya natin to kahit
5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Say hi guys! That's Dads. So, we're currently walking papunta sa Sagol.
Sagol na magka-close na kay December. Actually, December.
Yeah.
The end of December.
Lights are so pretty here.
guys. Today is Friday, December 20. And I'm currently running. Parang naglalakad ako now. Kasi pagod na ako. Here's my view right